In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the camera timer on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Plus, Pro Max, whatever. So once you open the camera app, to put a timer, you see there is an arrow right on the top here. Press on that arrow. You're gonna have more options down below. You need to click on this icon right over here. I don't know if you see it well. It's the one that has a circle with something, a needle in the middle. And then you can choose different timers, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. So let me pick 5 seconds. And to know that the timer is turned on, this should be yellow. And on the top of your screen here, you should also see how long is the timer. Now let's take a picture to demonstrate. So let's say, okay, I put my camera, I press the shutter, and there will be a count down on the screen and the picture will be took. Now, the thing to remember is that that timer is still on. It's not turned off after you take the picture, as you see here. So you'll need to remove it if you don't want to use it anymore. If not, every time you're going to press the shutter, there will be a delay because you'll have a timer. So this is about it. It's quite easy. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, I have many other ones for the iPhone 16. Please check them out on my channel. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.